Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Last time we made a Arial layers out of a coloring book page. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coloring book page, an SVG file. So stay tuned. First we're going to go to our browser and we're going to search for image. So I have Elmo, but let me go back. Let me go back to the search bar. So I typed in Elmo coloring pages so you guys could see. It did. Whew. Excuse me, guys, a little bit tired. And then I chose, let's see, which Elmo did I choose? Oh, okay, I chose this Elmo. So we're gonna click this. I'm gonna click this Elmo to save it. Save image as, yeah. Now we're gonna go back to our browser and we're gonna, excuse me, you guys, I'm so sorry. We're gonna type in a website called Convertio. It's CON. Let's see, where is it at? It's CONVERTION.com. We're gonna click that real quick. Oh, I'm sorry. Oops. Oh, instead of .com is CO. That was weird, but okay. So we come up to this page and we're gonna go here to pick our image. We're gonna find our image that we wanted, and it was, remember, our Elmo with his blocks. Here it goes. We're gonna click him, and we're gonna go right here to change this. So, sorry, you guys, back with that. Then I'm gonna go vector and make it an SG file. Now it says ready. We're gonna push convert. I have another video coming up where I'm making color pages with colors in it, a regular color page. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. The link will be in this video somewhere. So it's done. So we're going to pick download. So now it's downloaded. I don't know if that is, guys. I'm sorry. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Don't know what that was. Now it's downloaded. Now we're going to go to back to Design Space. Now we're going to click New Project. And when you put the search for the file, I'm sorry, it's not going to be like a regular picture. It's going to be like a file. So, so we're going to browse it. We're going to go. Sorry, because it will be in my downloads. Okay, so we'll browse it, and we're gonna search for it. It will look like a file like this, but when you import it into the line space, it comes in just like a regular picture. Okay, I can't seem to find it. Hold on 1 second. Here it goes. I want to say this is it. Yes! There it goes. And you can name it, give it a title, or anything you like. So we're gonna go and save it. Now we're gonna click it and export. Now SVG file is a file that cuts. Well, it's like I can't really explain what exactly is the terms of it because I'm still learning myself. But I know that it has layers to it where his eyes can be cut off when you do it in the Cricut Cut or whatever machine you're using it to cut Elmo or whatever design you have out. You can cut him out in sections. Like the picture comes apart basically. And yeah, so as you can see right here, these are his layers. This is where the picture will be cut up and divided. Now the whole picture may not be cut up and divided, but certain pieces on the picture would be cut up and divided. Okay, we're gonna move him over here. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so we can see him. Oops, I moved out too far. Okay, that's perfect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna ungroup him, and this is how Ariel was when I made her layers. This is it. See, all of his little layers are coming ungrouped. See. So when we move Elmo, you see his mouth has moved, his body has moved. Every piece has moved except for the big layers. That's going to be cut out as one. These are pieces that's going to be cut out separately. But this piece is going to be cut out as one. So that's how you make a SVG file. So if you like this video, guys, please comment, like this video, give me some thumbs up, tell me something about it. Did you learn on it? Show me yours. Yeah, I hope I really helped somebody. So bye guys, until the next video.